Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Ulric is a small municipality on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, just west of Matane. It covers about 120 square kilometers and has a population of 1,500 people. With only about 13 people per square kilometer, this is a very rural community, with homes and farms spread out between the river and the hills farther inland. The landscape is one of the first things you notice here. Saint-Ulric sits between the St. Lawrence and the Appalachian Hills, and several rivers run through the municipality, including the Blanche River, the Petite Rivière Blanche, and the Tartigueux River. There are also lakes such as Lac Minouche and Lac des Îles, where there are cottages and seasonal properties. Along the river, the shoreline gives the community a connection to the water that has been important throughout its history. The first settlers began arriving around 1844. At that time, the area was known as Rivière Blanche. A chapel was built in 1856, and the parish of Saint-Ulric was officially established in 1869. The name Saint-Ulric was chosen in honor of Ulrich J. Tessier, a judge and landowner who had provided land for the first chapel. Agriculture has traditionally been an important part of the local economy. Farms in the area have included dairy cattle, beef cattle, pigs, sheep, and even bison. Forestry is another important activity because of the large wooded areas surrounding the community. Wind power is also part of the local landscape. Saint-Ulric is associated with the Le Nordais Wind Project, and the area has become known locally as a place where the sea and wind are a noticeable part of everyday life. Tourism and recreation add another small piece to the economy, particularly around the river, lakes, cottages, and outdoor activities. For a community of this size, Saint-Ulric has a fairly broad range of services. People living here are also close to Matane, which provides many of the larger shopping, medical, employment, and government services for the surrounding area. That makes Saint-Ulric more practical as a year-round community than its small population might suggest. Housing prices here are considerably lower than in Quebec's larger urban centers, although there is a wide range depending on the property. Recent listings in Saint-Ulric have included older homes around $75,000, more typical village homes around $300,000, and larger or newer properties approaching $450,000. Saint-Ulric is the kind of place where the geography still has a strong influence on daily life. Farming, forestry, the river, the surrounding hills, and the nearby city of Matane have all shaped the community. It is small, but it has a history that goes back to the earliest settlement period of this part of the Gaspe region. watching.